Welcome to the authentic Madurai Jigarthanda Masterclass.
4 iconic elements, pure royal decadence.
Let's build this legend together. Badam Pisin is pure natural almond tree gum.
Nature's ultimate body coolant for tropical heat.
Just 10 grams expands massively.
Jigarthanda balances cooling science with rich alchemy.
Jelly, syrup, reduced milk, and ice cream.
First up, almond gum secrets. Simmer root extract with raw cane sugar.
Reduce until glossy and half-string thick.
Syrup ready. Now, the milk masterclass.
Nannari root gives Jigarthanda its signature perfume.
Earthy sarsaparilla, medicinal and deeply refreshing.
Let's brew the concentrated syrup.
Soak 10 grams in 250 ml water overnight.
It blooms into fluffy diamond jelly.
Zero flavor, pure silky texture.
Start with 2 liters of full cream milk.
High fat content creates that velvety body.
Time for the low and slow reduction.
Keep scraping the cream from the sides.
Every fold builds intense creamy depth.
Patience is the secret ingredient here.
2 liters reduces down to 600 milliliters.
Natural lactose caramelizes into toasted amber bliss.
Now we balance the sweetness.
Add 80 grams sugar, then flash chill.
Chilling locks in that silky toffee richness.
Next, the legendary Palkova Ice Cream.
Authentic Jigarthanda ice cream uses real Palkova fudge.
Whisked with heavy cream for chewy richness.
No vanilla essence, pure caramelized dairy aroma.
Freeze for 6 hours until dense and chewy.
It holds its shape against chilled milk.
All 4 components are officially prepped.
Pour 120 ml of chilled caramelized Kadai Paal.
Watch the marbled clouds dance together.
Leave just enough room at top.
Base layer, 2 tablespoons of hydrated Badam Pisin.
Drizzle 2 tablespoons of aromatic Nannari syrup.
Look at those ruby crystal hues.
Temperature is critical. Every element must be ice cold.
This prevents the ice cream from melting instantly.
Let's build the iconic layers. Drizzle thick basundi glaze right over the crown.
Toasted pistachios and almond flakes for crunch.
Pure visual and textural perfection.
Crown it with 1 massive Palkova ice cream scoop.
It floats like a golden royal throne.
Now, the royal garnish touch. In Madurai, pair this with spicy crispy Senthilvel.
Hot flaky bun paratha and ice-cold sweetness.
The ultimate street food harmony. Bouncy
Jelly, herbal aroma, and rich caramel ice cream.
Every single spoonful is pure magic.
It truly cools the heart and soul. Make your own royal Madurai Jigarthanda
Today.
Cool down your summer like royalty.
Until next time, keep it icy cool.